Hey guys, these are my puppies. Gerbil. That's the runt right there. That's the mom. Then fattest one's right here. His name's Oso. I don't remember this one's name. Or this one's Oso. I don't know. There's Comet and Bailey Jr. There's one more. I don't remember what he is. That dog over there, she had 8 puppies. It may be a tad bit blurry. There is one more white one. I think we may give it away already. Unless it's also over here somewhere. Unless we gave Comet away or Bailey Jr. Hi, buddies. Hi, Ron. Oso. How fat Oso is. Hi, buddies. Here's your eyes. Sorry for blocking the screen, but their eyes were purple at one point, and there, the rascal is biting me. Oh. Bye, this